Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Today we're going to be checking out a 2011 240 Sundeck. Let's go ahead and take a walk around real quick. You can see we have a Bravo 3 outdrive with counter-rotating props on it. Makes for a really controllable ride, tracking straighter. Matched up with a MerCruiser 5.0 260 horsepower motor. See here in the back, you got plenty of swim deck room and a lounger included. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Here at the stern, we have a compartment here for nice storage, mainly used for covers. Keep them nice and out of the way and dry. What's really neat about this model is that this seat back folds completely down for a really nice sun pad. Gives it a lot more open layout. Cabin of the boat, you can see here, we have a dual captain's chair setup, both with flip-up bolstering to make easy viewing while trekking down the lake. Got a beautiful 5.0 MerCruiser. Plenty of storage in the back. See here we have an included table mount. Makes for a really easy, quick removal and adding of the table. With some included storage underneath. As you can see, this boat has plenty of storage, so there'll be no problem fitting all your covers and water accessories. Awesome feature about this boat, you have a really nice storage compartment for your cooler. Then over here you have a freshwater sink. Moving to the dash here, you can see we have classic Sea Ray style gauges, all analog, make for a really easy viewing, and all aviation style toggle switches. Really nice crisp feel. You got a Garmin GPS and fish finder. The storage compartment right here works for great storage and also has your radio access and your ignition access. This door also has a dual purpose to close off wind coming in for those cool mornings. This boat comes included with a head compartment. Can be used as a changing room or a bathroom, or even more storage. You can see there's plenty of room for people to sit all around, plenty of leg room for the taller folks. You have storage underneath all these seats with real high quality stainless steel hinges. All self-bailing compartments keep them nice and dry, but drains included in each. All right, guys, if this is a boat you'd be interested in taking a demo on, my name is Connor Marr here at MarineMax Lake Wylie, 803-831-2101. Thank you.